to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to create Google Form with just your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser. So I'm going to make use of my Chrome browser right here. So I will simply click on here to open my Chrome browser. Just like so. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the address bar right here. And then what you need to do is to simply type in Google Form. And then click on search. Now it's take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the first result right here. And you'll be taken to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on go to form. Then you'll be taken to this particular interface. Now from here, you can start to create your form. You can start to customize your form. So if you want to customize your form, you can simply click on the color section right here and change the color interface of your font. So I'm going to choose blue right here, and then I'm going to come to the top right here and click on apply. So you see everything has changed. And then if you want to change the font style, you can also come to the top right here and select a new font style and a new font size. So I'm going to simply click on here. I'm going to change the header. Then the question font is still okay, and I'm going to change the header font size to something like 20. Then you can also choose image for your header. So for you to do that, simply click on choose image. Then it's going to take you right here. Then from here, you can choose any of the type of header that you would like to use on this section right here. So there are work and school header, there are illustration header, there are birthday header. This depends on the type of form that you want to create. And I'm going to leave it in work and school. Or better still, you can choose upload. This allows you to select picture from your phone gallery or take a live picture, which is the last section right. So in this regard, I'm going to simply put it in work and school. Then from here, I will select a template right there. I'm going to put this one and then click on insert at the bottom right here. Insert. So the header load up and everything has been fully recognized. Then I'm going to change the header color to the purple. Then I will simply click on apply from the top right here. Then we have our header right here. Now, what we want to do next is to start create a form. Then we can simply come to the top right here under the title form. So I'm going to cancel the untitled form, and I'll make this one to be employee record taking. Like so. Then I'm going to adjust the header font size right here. This is too much. And I'm going to simply highlight on everything. Then I'll go back to the top right here. And the header here, I'm going to make it, let's see, 18. Then I will simply come to the top right here. I'll click on apply again. And then you can see my header now is being on a straight single line. As simple as that. Then we can add form description if you have any description as far as the form is concerned. We can also highlight the employee section and make it bold and leave the rest on a single way like so. Now we have work on the header, and the next thing we want to do is to simply scroll down and then create our first question. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply come down below here, and we have untitled question. And here we will need to cancel this. And we ask our question, what is your name? Just like so. And that is the first question in this form. Now, what we want to do now is to choose answer. Okay. And for us to choose answer, we can simply click on here and then from multiple choice, and click on multiple choice right here. And then we can decide to use different options of the answer right here. So in this case, I'm going to simply make it short answer. So I just need their name, simple as that, selected. then you have it right here, short answer. So this is where the answer is going to be. Okay, then we can also make this section a compulsory section. So for us to do that, we simply click on here and boom, it become compulsory. So just like so. Now, if you want to check on this particular preview of the font, what we need to do is to click on these three dots from the top, and then we click on preview. Let's see how the form is going to look like, just like so. Now, this is the first question right here. What is your name? Then we can go back to form and then continue to ask the question. Now, we move to the next question right here. Now, for us to create another column of question, what we need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. This allows us to create additional question. So we can say, how old are you now? Then we can simply ask the question mark. Now we have different options right here. So option 1, option 2, we have option right here, option 1, then we can add additional option. Let's make a use of the option 1 right here. So we click on the option 1, then this is going to come up. We just say 29 to 35. That is for option 1. Then we want to add additional option. So what we need to do is to simply click on here. Then we have option 2 automatically. What we want to do next is here is that we want to say from 35 to 43. Okay. Then we want to add other, which simply means that if their age was not in this bracket, they can simply choose other. So for us to do that, we simply click on add other. Just like so, we have everything right here. We can also make it a compulsory. We'll click on here to make it compulsory. Just like so, then if we want to preview, we come to the top right there and click on preview. So we have it right here. It's as simple as that. So we can go back to our form right here and continue to create more and more. Now here, we can also ask them to upload their resume. For us to do that, we simply click on this plus sign right here to add additional question. Can you please upload your resume? Just like so. Then we have to come here and we make sure we click on here to make available where they will need to upload the resume. And this is going to come up. What we need to do here is to simply click on file upload. Select on file upload. Then we click on continue right here. Continue. And automatically everything is going to be embedded, just like so. Then what we want to do next is that we can simply make this also a require and specify on the size and the number of files they should upload. So right here, we'll make sure we enable this. This allow only specific type of file. So we can ask them to upload their resume in PDF or in video. So we can choose as many as possible options for them to upload their resume. Then we can also scroll down right here. Maximum number of files to be uploaded. We can click on here and choose 5 maximum number of files. We can also click on here and choose the maximum file size that should be uploaded on this particular cloud. So I'm putting it in 10. We can also come down below right here and we'll make sure it's required for every candidate to upload their resume. So what I'm going to do is simply click on here and make it compulsory. Then we can come to the top right there, click on preview. Each time you are making change, always check on your preview and then you'll be able to understand how progressive you are in creating your form. Just like what you see right here, it's as simple as that. You can go on and continue to create as many as possible questions from different sections using this particular Google form. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to create Google form with just your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.